Devesh Singh, our correspondent there, joining us live. Devesh has been tracking those developments closely. Devesh, Badlapur protests has really turned intense. Scores of people who blocked off the railway station in Badlapur, demanding that Chief Minister Eknath Shinde himself arrive and address the crowds. Have they listened to what Girish Mahajan had to say or not?
Well, Girish Mahajan just said that I request all the protesters with joined hands and I accept all your demands. Action will be taken against the police officials who were responsible for delay in the FIR. Action has been taken against the school officials, the principal and 2 teachers. One police official has been suspended, and we have set up a committee to further conduct inquiry. But we request you to call off the protest. People are suffering because of this protest. People are stranded at other places because trains are not working. Trains are lifeline of Mumbai. The Thane police commissioner is here, the Thane collector is here, railway police commissioner has come, and Minister Girish Mahajan has come. They've all requested the protesters. Now there's another protester who's trying to speak to the protesters, to address them, trying to convince them.
What are the protesters' demands?
All the demands
what are the protesters' demands?
The protesters have demanded that the case be run on fast track, the accused be hanged to death. The accused should be hanged to death, and the action be taken against all the police officials who delayed the FIR being registered. So Minister Girish Mahajan has assured that Ujjwal Nikam will be appointed as special public prosecutor. Case will be run in a fast track court, and the accused, the prosecution will demand that the accused to be hanged to death. Even police officials said this, that within 2 to 3 days, charge sheet will be filed in this case. Remember, this is a big statement. Within 2 to 3 days, they said, or they agreed to the protesters, that within 2 to 3 days, charge sheet will be filed so that the trial could commence, the trial could start immediately. So, as of now, one of the representatives of the protesters is trying to speak to the other protesters so that they could call off the protest. They could.
So we'll see. We will of course track that, Devesh. We will continue tracking that, and we'll come back to you on this as we see protesters there who flooded the streets. They've in fact called for a complete shutdown in Badlapur. Today, it is an agitation that was planned by the locals there, as they wanted to mount pressure on the administration to ensure that the police inspector responsible for delaying the FIR must be suspended, that strict action must be taken against him, and of course the school authorities must be reprimanded. They claim that CCTV footage has been deleted. That's what the family says, though the school has in its part justified that the CCTV cameras don't work.